Good morning, guys. Good morning, guys. I woke up super late today. Almost overslept. Had a busy weekend of work. Scaled down today a little bit. Didn't trade as many accounts, and yeah. Let's get to trading because the stream is going to be a shorter stream today. All right, guys. So I am going on the trip. And it's gonna be a short stream today. I gotta end it at noon. I gotta go pick up my friend who came from California, who's gonna be my assistant in the Bahamas. No, I'm streaming today. I'm leaving tomorrow morning. So tomorrow morning I'm going to the airport. All right. Let's see. Volatility is pretty high still, so I gotta be careful. Don't have a lot of drawdown in some of these accounts, guys, because we did get our payout approved, which is awesome. Yeah, I have a wedding in the Bahamas I gotta work on Thursday. So I'm actually going for work. It's work and pleasure combined because I extended my trip. The ATR is a little bit high for me here, but I'm gonna try to get a quick scalp here. Nope. Yeah, the ATR is super high right now. It's not good for the smaller drawdown accounts, so probably gonna lose a few accounts. I'm gonna try to save like out of all the ones I requested, I'm gonna try to save like 5 or 6 of them. And then hope that the other ones are getting me at a good payout rate. Damn, one scalp and it's over. And the stream's over because I'm not gonna trade more if I lose one account. I might trade like the newer accounts with more drawdown. It's way too much ATR to scalp right now. But the payout was approved for this account, so I'm not worried. That's why I traded it. But to not get 7 ticks, like, look how much movement there is. That's 10 points right there, and I couldn't get 7 ticks in my favor. I'm like half asleep still, guys. I woke up so late, right before the bell. Also, it's kind of tricky because all these accounts that I did request a payout from, if I want to get a payout from them in second half of February, they basically gotta be traded every day. We only got like 10 trading days between now and next payout. But I will be requesting another payout today, so I should be at, I think all accounts will be good, so I'll be at 26,000 from Apex. which puts me at I think 92,000 from Apex, and then other prop firms combined puts me over 100,000 in payouts since June or May of last year. Am I still pending for your first request on February 1st? No, I'm not. Hi, market. Don't be like this. There we go. All right. I'm just gonna rotate through the accounts for now, and then one of them is gonna lose probably, and then these are my balances now after payout. Like 105, I have to flip to get a payout. I don't even know which accounts I'm gonna get a payout from. It's actually, I wish Apex made it easier to keep track of the days you traded. But after the first payout, my dog's going crazy. After the first payout, you can't, there's no way of keeping track easily. It's all manual labor. So 107 is gonna get a payout. So I gotta trade that. So I'm gonna flip that on M and Q. I am not going to risk that one. So 107. Just gonna go for 2 ticks on M and Q. All right, so that's flipped. 105 will flip. I think that's it. What other account can I get a payout from? I don't even know. Okay, so 9, 107. 99, I'm gonna request a payout now since I made money on it. So this account says 28, but I just made money on it today, so I'm gonna request a full payout. I take full payouts, guys, if you're new to my stream. Oh wait. Everything's approved. 86 got approved. Wait a minute. Oh no. It's this one that's not. That one's still pending. So this will be. So this makes it so this makes, this is 16, 18, this is 20,000 right there. So that means I got 3 accounts I still got to request a payout from tonight. So I got to make sure I trade them and they're good to go. And yeah, it's a hell of a start to the year, guys. Hell of a start. And someone made me a cool cool spreadsheet of like my journey of my payouts. Like they have the whole database of Apex's payouts and how like I scaled up from June, July to September and stuff. Kevin's asking what? Oh no, Aaron's asking what? Hey chat. If Apex is running 1-day pass sale, do they still give you 48 hours to activate an account? No, it's never been like that. They have always set the email, but it's never been like that. You could always keep it longer, and as long as your eval's active, you're fine. Alex, no, watch my videos. You guys don't watch videos, and then you guys make up these things where Apex takes a long time sometimes to approve payouts. I waited the same amount of time as everyone else did. Watch my older videos on payouts and you'll see the timeline. It took the first time I ever got a payout from Apex, I had requested the payout exactly at 12:01 a.m. on June 1st, and I got approved on June 7th. It took 6 days or 7 days even. You guys are fine, guys. You guys could buy evals. You could flip micros. You're fine. Just wait for the approval. Don't overthink it. The more you overthink it, the more frustrated you're gonna get. Why worry about it? They're doing so many payouts. So imagine how long it takes them to approve everyone. Trade your other accounts. Do evals. Do something. I don't know. Yeah, Alex. So see, yeah, that happens. It's same with payouts. They paid out earlier a couple times, and people always wanted it earlier. And Apex's rule says they send it out the last day of the month. No, it's alright. You're fine. Just don't make Apex the bad guy here. That's all. But you're gonna blow that account anyway, Alex. So might as well. I mean, the chances are you're gonna blow it, right? It's gonna be $500 in drawdown. There's a chance you're gonna survive, but there's a chance you're gonna blow it. So what's your plan? You're gonna have to probably get more accounts. So you might as well do it now. And I guess we had 10 o'clock news that I was not aware of. Damn, that would have been nice. What news is this? I need to write it down so that way I know for next time. Oh, ISM PMI services. All right. Count 109. Am I requesting a payout from 109? That's something I don't remember. Yeah, I know it feels that way, but you're not the only person they're doing payouts to, right? There's hundreds of people that they're doing payouts to. So, guys, as a business owner, it's the same thing. When I get an email, it doesn't mean because your email comes in first, you get a first response. It doesn't work like that. Like that. So whenever I get to it, same thing. Same thing for Apex. I'm sure they just go through the accounts as they come up. I have no idea how they approve the payouts. No idea on any of that stuff. But all right, I gotta trade here, guys. I only got 2 hours left on stream. Last 2 hours. So hit those thumbs up for me. Hit those likes for me, guys. I just want to make sure that all the accounts that I'm getting a payout from are in good standing, because I really want to get my full payout. But they make it so hard to know. 109. Okay, 109 is not getting a payout. Even though it's above threshold, it's not gonna get a payout. So 110. 110 is not getting a payout. 104. Okay, 104 is getting a payout. 99 is getting a payout. 105 is getting a payout. It's 92 getting a payout. Let's see, 92, 23. So 105, 99, 104. Wait. I don't know. I can't count anymore. It's so hard to count. I'll know by end of today. Because right now I'm thinking like I could get 28,000, but I know I can't. I did the math earlier. Big sell off here. We'll find out, chill effects. You're only gonna find out when you request a payout, right? So we'll see. I'm up $3,000 on that account, but I have not requested a payout yet. Because you gotta wait like 14 days or something. I don't know. I don't even know what their withdrawal policy is anymore. I thought it was from day one. Now it's 14 days. I have no idea. They claim fast payouts, but 14 days is a long time. I trade and trade of 8 games rhythmic because I'm using a Mac. My shooting that works so well. Take profit 5, stop loss 8. You can't do that in a group. Why not? Is it $5 per trade or 5 points of NASDAQ? But if you get a decent amount of trades per day, Alex, you could just, do two accounts at a time. Yes, that's why I asked. Is it for 5 points or is it for yeah, so if it's 5, you could place the order after you get into the trade. Or Alex, I have a better idea. Since you're getting payouts, right? You're getting payouts, you said? Or is this like your... It's not your first payout because you already got a payout before. So I have an idea for you. You go to the store and you buy yourself a Windows laptop because you're gonna be able to trade a lot better. And you could still use your TradeOvate accounts with NinjaTrader. And you could probably get yourself a laptop that's gonna be fine for like 500 bucks. And trust me, I'm a Mac guy too. I use Mac for everything that I don't need a Windows for. I will use a Mac always. How many times has my computer crashed? And I have one of the best computers you could buy just a year ago or 2 years ago. Parallels are okay if you have a really good Mac. If you have like one of those new ones, then yeah. But if you have like a M.2 chip, yeah. But if you have something older, it's not gonna run smoothly. But my computer crashed on stream a few times. I can't have that during a wedding. During a wedding, I can't have that, so... That's why I use Mac. I have 4 Mac computers. I have a Mac Mini right there. I have 3 MacBook Pros. No, don't use Can 20. Nope, 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 nope. Oh, sorry, I didn't mean to do that. Oh, fuck. Let me give you guys a code for Replicanto here. No, I don't have one. It's all good. But we want to help not leave anything. Because Canadian Features Trader, I don't know. He doesn't post any videos. I don't like his content, to be honest. I don't know. Do you guys think he uses a voice changer on his videos? I've heard that before. I never thought about it, but I thought he just had a really deep voice. Does Apex allow you to automate a strategy? Yeah, because you can't really automate it. Automated strategies are only like partially automated. Quick stab there. I don't know. Market just moving weird for me. The ATR is super high for 10 o'clock. The ATR I just keep an eye on because it kind of gives me an idea of how volatile the moves are. Oh, what the hell was that? Oh. But you would think scalping for 6 ticks with big ATR would be easy, but it's actually hard because for some reason I just get the worst fills. Like you would think that it's gonna be much easier to just get 6 ticks. That was painful. It checked Sierra chart whether you could schedule a trade, and they said yes, it's possible to do a fill kill. I haven't used the scheduled trades anymore. I've been having issues with that. Where one order just doesn't trigger fast enough. So, I just been doing it manually for not only last couple of days. Does Apex allow you to hedge? Yeah, evals are free for all. You could do whatever you want. Yeah, they announce deals at midnight or at 6 p.m. depending. So the deal ends tomorrow for the 71% off, and which is like that's like the standard, but the $35 resets are actually really good. That's basically 80% off. Actually, it's more than 80% off for the bigger accounts. Okay, it's fine. People got to keep their accounts a little longer. That's all. Don't be like, blowing up accounts left and right because they have sales all the time. That's something people are getting used to as well. Like, you just got to be careful. Okay, that was a little bit of an easier read. Kind of want to go in again. Should have just hit ask. Oh, come on. Let's see. Yeah, it's the secondary trades that get me. It's like I really thought this was gonna reverse, to be honest. But it's always when I trade like in big chunks. Like this is, I took it twice here. I went for a third time. Unfortunately, didn't work. Damn, market is bearish today. It would be a shame to end the stream because this is my last day of streaming for the week. It would be a shame to lose an account, but it looks like it's going to. I've been getting caught. It's like the third time I'm caught in last 20 minutes. There should be no getting caught. Out of 50 trades, I should get caught once or twice. And that's how last week was. From 2 weeks ago on Tuesday all the way through like until FOMC, I was up like I was 100% win rate for most of my trades. And today is just not the day. Today is just not the day. All right. Let me just make sure something. Yeah, this account's only on day number 4, so it's a fairly new account. Just had a nice cushion in it because I was more aggressive on it the first couple days, but I'll let her be. Today's a bear's day, so don't go long, go short, I guess I would say, but can't even get a single uptick. Then go long. Oh, finally. I'm gonna try to work out of it. Still got plenty of drawdown, but the ATR is super high and it's going down, and I have 3 contracts. If I had 1, way different story. Rough day, yeah, very rough day. Just can't get a single smooth trade. So look at this. Like, what kind of move is this? You try to catch that, you'll never catch it. You're gonna get caught in the reversal. I mean, I will get caught in the reversal. All right, so that's that for this account. And that's that for the stream. I'll just flip all the other accounts. I'm not gonna trade anymore. All right, guys, that's it. All right, let me just flip all the accounts. That way because we are on a tight schedule for a payout on for next payout. So gotta make sure I get 10 days in. So I gotta flip every account's gotta get flipped. All right, Kevin get a tick when you try to short, so that's fine. All right, 1 tick. This is how I flip accounts, guys, just so you know. This counts as a trading day, does not count. It counts towards your flip days. Really? Just gonna take a L on that. Don't even care. Just flipping. Wow, I have the worst luck today. The market is moving so much, and I can't even get 2 sticks in my favor, guys. That is a sign to call it a day. All right, I think that's it. Yeah, all the accounts were flipped. Okay. You could do 10 days. 2 days out of 10 days. How much am I pulling out today? I'll be pulling out 6 more thousand. I already took out 20. I'm gonna take out 6 more, and then I have bull knocks I gotta take it from, so that'll be 28, and then my funded futures hopefully 2,000, so that'll be at 30,000 for February 15th payout when it comes in. But that's gonna be it, guys. That is it for my trading for the stream. I will be streaming today till noon, and then that's it. I will try to do something from the Bahamas. I don't know. We'll see what the Wi-Fi situation is like. I might do like a Q&A. I might do like a live stream on my phone. Something like that. But I'll be in the Bahamas from tomorrow till Saturday. Don't even feel like going, to be honest. I'd rather just trade. But the way things are going right now, last 3 days, I actually do want to go. Last week I did not want to go, and now I kind of want to go because it's been brutal. Yes, Nassau, yep. Yeah, this is my only time, only day for stream. How do you define difference between flip and trading day? I think depends on your P&L, and then also depends on, obviously this is a clear flip, you know, like, I mean, you could kind of tell where I flipped, you know, like I went for 2 ticks, 3 ticks. So I'm not taking a break, guys. I am trading every single day in the Bahamas. CC, no, I'm not talking about that. I'm talking about trading itself. I'm very happy with how things are going. I'm just not happy with how my scalping is going and how difficult the market has been for me for the last 3 days. Like this today was, to me, it was as difficult of scalping. Like if I went through this all the time scalping, which I know some people do, I would hate scalping. Like I would be like, nope, I can't be a scalper. This is just never gonna work. Like how can you not even get 3 ticks in your favor? You know, so like these days like this is why I change strategies when I'm not consistent. Now I'm getting payouts, now I'm getting paid, now I'm consistently profitable with, you know, Apex. So I'm gonna continue it. But if I wasn't getting payouts, if I wasn't able to string those 10 days of profitability, I would not scalp. I'll be like, nope, this is not gonna work. So it's like I get when people say like, oh, scalping doesn't work for me, because scalping is hard. When I make it look easy, is because I'm reading the market well and the market's cooperating with me. It's not because it's easy. I don't really care about the PA account. It was only on day number 4. That account had nice profit in it because I was aggressive with it. My second payout's never gonna be as good, guys, because I do, you know, take out most of the cushion from the accounts. So I'm gonna lose about 10 more accounts this month, out of the group that I have. Like I don't know how many accounts are not getting a payout, whatever it is. I think 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So 3 are getting a payout, and then 4 are not. So like 4 are not getting a payout. So they'll have, you know, a lot of money in them, and I should be able to get a payout from them in second half of February for 8,000. But then all of these accounts, I only have like $1,500 in cushion in these, and then I have a couple that have like $1,000 in cushion. Those accounts are probably gonna. The volatility does not, I don't know, get better for my trading style. These accounts are gonna be gone, you know. So like, they already got their payouts. A lot of them got 2 payouts out of them, so it's fine. So what I'm saying is, if I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16 accounts, probably 8 of them are gonna survive to pay out. That's like the goal. And then they're gonna have another sale. Hopefully one day pass, we'll get back up to the 20. Keeping cushion does help, but I'm just too scared because of days like today. See, like I'm up almost $6,000 in my Bull Knox account somehow. And I already took a payout. That's the thing. It's like Bull Knox just mentally is much easier to for me to, you know, grow it. 6,000. Oh, that's so nice. Can't take out the safety net yet. So it's not really 6,000, but it's $6,000 in profit, which I could have done on Apex as well. So my stop loss doesn't exist. I can't use a stop loss. I get destroyed on stop losses. I would never be able to get payouts with stop losses, unfortunately. But if the stop losses work for you, that's fine. Today's a trending day, so anytime there's a trending day, I'm gonna lose an account. It's almost a guarantee, unless I could predict the trending day. I could predict a trending day. If I could predict a trending day, then I could avoid the loss. But if I can't predict it, if I'm assuming that it's gonna, because like it's easy in hindsight to predict, right? It's easy in hindsight to say, oh, it's a trending day. But in the meantime, you don't know that. Like before like 10 o'clock, you have no idea if it's gonna be a trending day or a range day. Especially the way, the pre-market was. So if you don't know, then you gotta trade it however you think it's gonna happen. So I always think that it's gonna be a range day. And that kind of gives me the opportunity to not hesitate every single day, because otherwise I'm gonna hesitate. And when you hesitate, what's gonna happen is you're gonna miss the good days and you're gonna get into the bad days. It's always like that. When you hesitate on trades, you're gonna take the bad trades and you're gonna miss the good trades. So you just can't hesitate, just go for it. And to any traveling footy, that's wild. My stop loss is very clear. My stop loss is the account. So my stop loss is what I paid for the account. So I do not trade with the stop loss, but I do trade with the risk management in mind. Okay, so that's how I kind of I do better on bullish days as well. And that's kind of weird because I'm a short seller by nature. But again, I'm not here to teach anyone how to trade. I'm just here sharing my journey, right? And if if my goal to make $150,000 in a year is going to be $75,000 of that in 2 months, then I don't really care if I blow accounts. I'm trying to get better every day, of course. I'm not trying to blow the accounts. But I know I'm going to blow the accounts if I use stop losses. It's not going to make a difference. Daniel, you see what I'm using. You see everything I'm using on the chart that you see here. I have a couple other time frames up like on the screen, but you see everything that I'm using. Yeah, I mean, that's very true, Slayer. And even like for me, it took me a while to build up to like trading 10 accounts with the copy trader at the open. I would be getting way bigger payouts if I just stuck to it, but yeah, just super happy for the big payouts again, guys. Just this sets me up for the whole year, guys. Like I don't have to get a payout in March and I'll be fine. Got $27 overs. Yeah, of course, Alec. I mean, some people trade on micros. I mean, you could trade on micros. It's not the hardest thing to do because you just got to scale up a little bit. 5 micros is a half a contract. That's not, if I'm trading 1 or 2 contracts for 6 ticks, if you just do 5 micros for 20 ticks, I mean, that's decent profit. So you could trade micros. The P&L window is not adjusted correctly. Oh, there you go. London session for me would be a disaster. Just not enough volatility. I tried. I was like, oh, I could do this all the time. And nope. I'll get caught in moves all the time. There's so many random moves at night as well that I'm not aware of. But I know some people that really kill it overnight. That's the beauty of futures. You could really make money. You could adapt your strategy to any time frame or any time zone. Good morning, Christoph. Can you scale in and out easily and get those bigger trades, but find scalping smaller returns? Yeah. It's a bummer to lose an account on the Monday. I mean, what are you gonna do? I mean, you're gonna dwell on it. You're gonna get upset. I mean, I'm going on the trip. I'm not gonna sweat it. I'm gonna spend more money on breakfast tomorrow at the airport than I spend on this account. It's like, it's fine. I don't know where you guys are from, but Newark airport food is like, I don't know. Like you get eggs and stuff, and it's like $40. And you get a drink. Did I get my payout approvals yet for Friday request? No, I did not. I got my payout approvals for the other ones from the first. So I have 2 pending. And I know this is not accurate, guys, because it's not the end of the payout window. But let me show you guys something pretty cool. All right, so these are the payouts from Apex so far. And this was as of Friday. So doesn't include the ones that are gonna get approved, still, or get requested today, but I'm right here, so. And I'm gonna be at 26,000, so I'll be in second place. Obviously, that's not gonna be true. There's someone that requests like 200,000, but just like climbing up the ranks, like I've always wanted to be like closer to the top. I'm never gonna be able to get to like Brandon's level, but I don't know if I even want to. I mean, it would be nice, but I think then like, because even like a $16,000 payout in one single month would be, incredible. Like it's still good money for side income. So is full-time income. It's better than most people's full-time income, actually. It's pretty wild, but yeah, this is me. So if you ever want to verify, it's Christian with a K. It's the Polish way of spelling. And there was also one more thing that someone made for me, which we got to update as soon as these payouts come in. But this is my journey with Apex, okay? So when I say I preach those smaller accounts, less accounts, so I started with 4,000. Then in July, I got 2,000. Then in September, August was a really good month for me. So in September, I got 14,000 out. Then October, I had a really bad month with Apex. I was able to get money out of Bullnox. So Bullnox paid for the Apex accounts. I was able to get out 4,000 or 4,500 from Bullnox. So basically I don't know if I got a payout in August of any kind. I think I did with I gotta double check if I got a payout in August. So I got a payout in May from Tick Tick. Then payout in June. But you guys see my smaller payouts, and I was making videos how upset I was at these payouts because I had other accounts that were ready for payout and I blew them. Like I didn't take the payouts when I had them, and it costed me a lot. And this is just a few months ago, guys, and made 33,750 all year last year, and I'm already at 48,000 this year, and I'm gonna be at like 58,000 from Apex alone in 2 months. Not even 2 months, because I'll probably be at 58 plus another 12, hopefully. I'll be at 7,000 in 2 months on Apex, which is something I'm very proud of, and that's why I could be very confident in the way I'm trading these accounts. From the outside perspective, for someone it might look stupid, but I'm here to make money. So when I have to trade my own account, then I'll have to rethink things and do things differently. But I was also thinking about funding my own account. Oh, this is awesome to see. I didn't see this. So I have some really cool people on my Discord that make these things. I don't know how they come up with this, but you can see the 50K account is the most popular account. 300K is the least amount of payouts. Oh, I'm surprised 25K gets. But my favorite is 50K, then 150K, then 25K. So that would be like my favorites. So 150K I would love to have, but I just don't feel like passing it. Yeah, I don't know how that would even be computed. Yeah, so like I always get pissed off when like I don't like my funded futures actually has a good product for what it is, but the drama in their Discord, I mean, it's just like kids, man. It's just like kids fighting, and it's something that doesn't belong in the professional world, in my opinion, of business. From the CEOs and the higher ups in the company. Yeah, they could be between like traders and stuff, but I always just say, like, I give an example of my own business. I'm a wedding DJ, right? So when I have a consultation with my client, I don't tell them why the other DJ sucks. I tell them why I'm good and why I do things differently and how I do things. And it's up to the client to determine if I'm the right fit for their wedding. It's not up to me to bash the other DJs because they do a good job too. Okay, it's just I have a little bit different way of doing things, and you know, and a good DJ is gonna be I'm not the only good DJ, and that's how it works in prop firms. There's prop firms are good, and as long as they pay out, they'll have their share of clients. The good traders are gonna go to every prop firm that they can, right? They're gonna maximize the potential. So I don't know why they have to be so like you can only have 3 accounts at Top Step. Like why are you so like negative about Apex, you know? Like it kind of turns people off, to be honest. But I trade with all the prop firms. That's the thing, guys. You know, like people are like, "Oh, you promote Apex so much." No, I trade with Apex because I trade with every single prop firm pretty much. except take profit. I've not done take profit, and you guys could see what I'm making my money. If I'm taking a $75,000 payout in, let's say, 2 months, right? So between January and February, I just showed you guys how much of that is um from Apex, because it's just harder to make money with one account. No matter what people say, people want to be like, oh, it's fast payouts. Guys, I traded my own account for 6 years. You don't take payouts all the time when you have your own account. You think you're gonna do, but you don't. You don't take payouts as much as you think. Plus, getting like, what if you make like, $1,000 a day? What are you gonna get? $2,000, $3,000 out a week? Oof. Yeah, it's gonna be blown. This market is trending today. Be careful, guys. Unfortunately, guys, scalping has just not been going well for me last 2 days or so, since FOMC, really. Even at FOMC, it was well. Like, but like Thursday and Friday were tough, and today is tough. So it might be a good time to break for a week from scalping, because I will not be scalping for the rest of the week. I'm just gonna trade the open, and that's it. I'm gonna try to rebuild my account slowly. But this is crazy that we're selling off like that on a Monday. After 2 nice bullish days, I guess we made a double top on the daily. Yeah, I mean, Ermax. I mean, people that trusted Ermax were crazy. You could see right through their BS. It's pretty sad that people actually fell for them. I was expecting a nice choppy day today, start the week. Blue Sky puts you live quick or something like that. I don't know how those companies make money. I don't like any company. Not that I didn't say dislike. I just don't like it personally when it's only one account. We're approaching almost 11,000 subscribers now. Jeez. You are the best and authentic live streamer on YouTube. I appreciate that. Regular trader, thank you. I just keep it real, guys, as far as my attitude and how I'm doing business with these accounts. I don't try to be the best trader. I'm trying to make money. That's all. A lot of people could benefit from that because people that are starting out trading, they might think that the proper way, proper stop losses, risk to reward is the way to go because that's what you're going to find from people that teach trading. But anyone that's teaching you how to trade on a static chart and doesn't ever show you a live trade, it could be a recorded trade, but them taking the entry live, just be careful with that. Everything looks great in hindsight. Like look how easy it would be for me to teach you a 20 SMA strategy today. Look how easy. Look how beautifully he reacts to it. Right? This is in hindsight. This is already a finished chart. It's very easy to teach it afterwards. There's a lot of money in education and trading, unfortunately. Well, I don't know if it's unfortunately. It's not a bad thing, but that means there's a lot of people that want to learn how to trade. Those who can't teach, yeah. People don't want to learn how to trade, they want to learn how to make money. That's true too. That's why a lot of people give up trading very fast. Because someone that's gonna like, obviously my YouTube is growing up, right? It's growing up to be a little teenager slowly. We're going out of that, you know, 10-year-old age, and now we're going into like the 13s and stuff. So it's growing, and what's gonna happen is we're gonna have new people join in, and they're gonna see my big payouts, and they're gonna ask for a strategy. They're gonna ask me all the different questions, and then they're gonna try to replicate everything I do, thinking that they're gonna get the same result. They're not gonna know what you guys know of what I went through in the beginning, right? Because no one's gonna watch the videos from a year ago. That's how YouTube works, unfortunately. So you guys will see that happen where people are coming in and asking how am I getting such big payouts, and it's gonna be interesting. While your first payout before approval, Apex ask you. I don't know, guys. Does Apex ask for any documents before payouts? No, right? I think the ID was the only thing that we had to verify, but I don't remember. I've had it for so long. Do you have to submit like a 1099? ID, yes, but do you have to submit a 1099 or no? Yeah, I don't remember doing a 1099 for Apex. How long does Apex take to approve payouts? Between 5 hours and 7 days. The longest I waited was 7 days. So guys, I will make sure you guys hit the notifications because I will pop in live from Bahamas at some point. So I'm gonna do either like a Q&A, we're just gonna catch up. I'm gonna give like a summary of my trading. Something's gonna happen, but it all depends on how the Wi-Fi is and stuff.
Don't want to hold up long.
How's Patrick doing today?
Dollar is making a new high here. Nasdaq, the ES, both just
Oh,
kind of sitting here consolidating for now.
I'm gonna put this light to blue. Maybe that'll give us better luck.
Trying to get this move down here.
I like that better. That combo's better.
Up there through the 90s.
Have I been long or short at the open? I was long.
Basically got to get denied right here or we're in trouble.
Is Top Step talking crap about other prop firms again?
Can create a wonderful trading opportunity, especially if you recognize it early. You get on the side of the longer time frame. You watch your direct competitors, your direct time frame getting shorter and shorter and shorter as the day goes on. You're going to kind of feel it. You can kind of rub your hands together and say, "Oh boy, this is a good one." Now, nothing has to happen, and anything can happen, ACH, but you're putting yourself in a position aligned with the longer time frame traders and against the shorter time frame P shooters that are getting shorter and shorter as price continues to move higher. You know that they're going to have to get out at the end of the day. Boom, you get the pop at the end of the day. And Andre, we've seen this during group power hour. There was a period there. It seemed to be happening almost.
Do these people ever make money? Like every time I go into the stream, it's red. Like they're always red. Negative, negative. Like, do they ever make money? I'm just actually asking because I have no idea. Let's check Friday. Red, red. No positions on Thursday. Oh, nope. The hell, guys? Red. This guy Hogue, man. John Hoagland. Performance coach. Uh, excuse me. Performance coach. I guess performance coach is like, guys, I just went to last like 5 streams. I can't find a single green day from these people. Oh. And I try not to bash anyone. It's just like, it's kind of weird. Rips is a guest on the stream. He's not like a regular. He doesn't run the show. I'm talking about like the people that are running the show, not the guest trader. Denny Trades made 14K on Friday. I've made $65,000 in payouts so far this year. So I think I'm doing okay myself. Well, it's not approved yet. I gotta request a payout tonight to get to that level, but yes, I know. I could be on Top Step TV myself right now too. I could be on Top Step TV right now too, guys, if I wanted to be. Because you have to sign a contract with Top Step. Yeah, the diamond. That was so funny. Still can't believe that happened. But the thing is, that guy was saying like he knows what the market's gonna do every time. He wasn't exposed. They just kicked him off. But he was someone that I hate so much. Oh man, Kay, you missed the best stream I've had in a long time. So there's this guy, right? So there's this guy I bought a course from when I started trading. I started trading in 2016 or something. I bought a course from this guy. Basically got scammed. It was a BS course. Like he thinks he knows what he's talking about, but like it just whatever. It wasn't like the worst thing, but it was expensive. It was like $2,000. So at the time, that was a lot of money for me. And whatever. So I really just hate the guy because he's scamming people left and right for all these years. He used to do it in stocks. Now he does it in futures because he notices that there's a big, chance for opportunity there. And I hate him. And I don't hate a lot of people in the markets. I could dislike or not like someone, but to hate someone, I think he's the only one out there. And I got an email because I guess I still am subscribed to his emails. I get an email from him saying that he's gonna be on Top Step TV, all right? That he's gonna be on Top Step TV, and I was like saying on stream, I was like, no way that Top Step is bringing this guy on the show. I'm like, this is crazy. Like this guy is the biggest scammer. They're bringing him on. Like I lost a little bit of respect for Top Step. Then he goes on and whatever. And I'm like, wow, I can't believe really this guy's on. And then 5 minutes later, my chat is saying that he got kicked off. So I go back to this stream, and then the way he was just talking was just so arrogant and cocky. And then he shows his Apex account with like 1,500 evals or more. I think it was like 1,600 evals. Saying how much money he made on evals and all that stuff, and they kicked him off. And it was the best thing ever because the way I, hated on him right before he went on, and then he went on and he got kicked off. It was the greatest thing. He's the biggest douche. I mean, the biggest douche. Like I don't know how he gets his business still. Like to be honest, I can't. I love how my thumbnail says $26 for payout or 2,600. I gotta update that. No one told me. I gotta add a 0. I put 2,600 or $26 technically. I'm not gonna give him any credit or any exposure. You could watch. It was. I forget what day it was. What day was that? I forget what day it was. How's the car doing? What car? New car search? Or my Porsche? I haven't driven it. I drove it once. Maybe 2 weeks ago. Joel, I'm getting a new one. So I wasn't sure if you were asking about that or. But I haven't driven it much. I don't drive it in the winter when there's a lot of salt on the ground. It's not good. 911. A little bit of an upgrade, but a 911. Hold on, guys. Just got a email to do. Got so many inquiries yesterday. I think everyone got engaged and everyone just emailing. No, I'm going for the S or the T. Probably the T, the 911T. GTS is 200,000. I'm not spending. It's crazy money. Who is Amanda? I'm getting so many inquiries. People are scheduling inquiries for tomorrow. I'm not even gonna be here. Hmm. Um, the fastest losses I take in life, financial losses, is when I'm booked for a wedding. So people email me for a wedding, and I just gotta reply that I'm already booked. That's $4,000 loss right there. And it happens all the time. Do I use OBS for streaming? Yes, I do. When Apex approves the payout, do they send an automatic email? Yes, they do. Wow, today's going by so slow because I'm not trading. I want to trade. I might trade on another account that I took a payout from. Might as well. Scalp for 4 ticks. Just to see. I got 45 minutes, not even 40 minutes left on the stream, guys. And I gotta go pick up my friend who lives. Well, his mom lives an hour away, and he flew in from California to DJ the wedding with me tomorrow. Or the wedding's on Thursday, but we're flying out to Bahamas tomorrow. So I gotta go pick him up, and we gotta go to the mall and buy some clothes. I don't have a outfit yet for tomorrow or for the wedding. It's like it's not we're not wearing suits, so. Hugh, yeah, I mean that's a common practice in DJing where you just have you have your own team and you send out DJs for different weddings, um but I don't want that pressure. Staying at this place. So we're at the Royal, which is this, I believe. It's pretty sweet. Wow, whoever designed their website needs to get fired. Ah, I almost blew my ears out. And I'm a DJ, so I'm already deaf. But that was terrible. My God. Alex, that's just. I live not far from Patterson, New Jersey. Google Patterson, New Jersey crimes. Google Newark, New Jersey crimes. I'm not. I don't think about that stuff. Nice job. Trenton. So Camden, how far is Camden from Trenton? I think it's... All right, I'm gonna try to scalp. The volatility is slowing down here, so I'm gonna try to get gonna say the ATR is lowered now, so I could probably scalp. Try to get like $100 or so here on this account. I'm gonna try 3 scalps, 4 ticks. That's what I do when I have low confidence. I just go for smaller ticks. It's gonna be a red day today, unfortunately. But the most important accounts made profit on them, so. And also, I just want to mention something. These accounts, they didn't have that much drawdown, and then look, now they're pretty much healthy again. So they had like 1,200 of drawdown. Now they have, this one only had, this one had like 1,100 or whatever. So it's actually doable to recover accounts with low drawdown. As long as they have $1,000 in it, it's, you gotta trade a little bit differently, but 25K account is 1,500, so. Let's see. All right, we got seconds, 4 tick scalp, maybe 4 ticks is the way to go. I went from 4 to 6 to 7 and got caught again. Cause I went on a really, really good stretch. But today's price action is, it's just not my, there's zero like overlap. It's all trend. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna draw a price channel. Nope, it doesn't line up anyway. Why is it so hard to... I give up. But it lines up this way. That's pretty wild. Like, see these two lows, like, because this is a new low here, so that was like a nice trap. Now that lines up pretty well. Hmm. Come on, let's get this win so we could be done with this account over $100. There we go. I think this is a glitch. Yep, it's a glitch. All right, so I wanted to make $100 on this, and I did, so I'm happy with that. Let's try to get this account to green. Too much red on my screen. Just one trading, what's going on? Bartosz, yeah, that's normal. They don't approve everyone at the same time. It's not possible. I don't want to get fooled by this long-looking setup. Is it gonna continue? I have hiccups. Let's get the likes to 100, guys. Hit those likes, and then at least I'll be happy with that. It is my last stream, guys, of the week, official stream. I wish if I was going by myself to Bahamas, I would stream every day from there. But I'm going with a friend, so I'm not gonna be Just sealed 2 accounts for payout. Congratulations. Let's go. Awesome job. I gotta do some more evals here soon. Gotta get back up to more accounts. Got 16 accounts left now with Apex. I don't know, is this... I'm trying to determine by like a long or short. The obvious answer is long. But going with the obvious is not always the right thing to do. Because it might need to pull back more, or it might rotate all the way back down to the lows. It is a weak, a weak day today. It is a bearish day after all, so I might want to rotate back down. What is the next Apex discount? Oh, who knows? Damn, if you hate longing NQ, then you must have had a difficult time last couple months. I'm the same way though. There we go. So the obvious one was good. But see what happens. Like you missed the trade. I said the obvious play was long, and now I missed it. And I want to chase. See what happens. That's why trading is so difficult. When you hesitate. That's what I was talking about earlier. When you hesitate on trades, it makes it a lot more difficult. You miss the good trades, and then you get in the bad ones. Come on, give me green on this account. Oh, God. Can't even get a point in your direction. There we go. That should have been the trade. Just so off today. Really off since FOMC. I feel like price action just changed a little bit. I went on like the craziest streak of making $5,000-$6,000 a day for, I don't know, from Tuesday to Wednesday, so whatever that was. 6 or 7 trading days. All right, but at least this account's green now, so. All right, let's see if we could do one more. Funky Town, I love Funky Town. I never noticed that, Neil. I love Funky Town. Ugh. Get a PC? Who, me? What? Wow, what a move. What a move. Drink some water here. Well, I guess back to the 200 we go. Imagine it finishes green on the day. Or was this just a trap for the longs? Hmm. I don't know. Was this just a trap or is it gonna hold? This could have just FOMO'd a lot of longs too, so we have to be careful. This could have just FOMO'd longs and it could dump. I want to see something. Oh, come on. Yeah, it'll be crazy if this puts a new high of the day. That'll be like a crazy rotation and trap. And if it makes it to the high of the day, I think it would go through the high. Oh, man. Unfortunately, guys, I'm going to be signing off here soon. Oh. Honestly, I don't count the. You look at my accounts differently than I do. It seems like I don't look at the gross P&L. I look at the overall status of the accounts. Like me, this account's gone, right? So this account's gone. No matter what I do with these accounts, that account is gone. It's not gonna come back. I can't make the loss back on this account. It's gone. Doesn't exist. So I look at the numbers here way differently than you guys do, I guess. I'll take a stab at short. Might as well get. Mm. Okay, we got. But you guys see what I'm saying? How difficult it is for me to even get 4 ticks. Good job, Joe. Yeah, sometimes you get caught. Mm. No, I just see just jumps in once in a while. I'm just saying, like, it's not about the money for me in the accounts. Like the P&L in the day doesn't matter to me as much. It's like I can't shave off the loss. Like I could make $5,000 on the other accounts. I'm still down a funded account. So it doesn't make it worse or better, really. As long as the other accounts are green, and as long as I'm getting payouts, that's really all that matters to me. And it's gonna be a very nice Valentine's Day this year. Nice big payout. I hope it comes on the 14th. Can you use bracket orders in Quantara when using trade copier? Yes, you can. Only Tradeaway you can't. Every other platform lets you do that. Did I start out trading micros? No. On the live account, yes, but not on funded accounts. My own account, yes, I did fund. That's how I started with futures. I didn't do prop firms. I actually started trading futures on the live account. I did sim for like a week, and then I did a live account. With AMP futures. Was it AMP? Actually, it might have been Tradeovate. Wow. I did recover that. Let's see. Is it gonna break out or is it gonna resist? It's gonna break out, bastards. Wait, am I trading the wrong account? 112. Why does it say I have so much drawdown in this account? Oh, because it's a new account. Oh, I got scared. I thought this was an account I took a withdrawal from, but I didn't. But I just can't get 4 ticks. Unbelievable. Like, there's days I could get 4 ticks with the eyes closed, and today every single trade has been a struggle. Oh, how it goes sometimes. Come on, fill me and I'm done. It's gonna tease me, isn't it? No, thank God. All right. All right, guys, that's gonna be it. Just not feeling the market at all. So, gonna request a payout from the other accounts. And unfortunately, this account's gonna be only $700 in drawdown. So, I could take out like $1,300 from this account, but I'd rather take the money. Or I should say 1,700. I could take out just so I leave myself $1,000 in cushion, but very lucky there. Very lucky. It's in the settings. It's in the settings, visual trading, positions, orders, trades, and stop loss take profit. All right, guys. So again, thank you so much for all the amazing support. I do have to go on a trip to the Bahamas tomorrow, so I'll be trading live from the airport. So I'll make a video of some sort tomorrow to give you guys an update, or a post when I'll post when the payouts get approved as well tonight. And then we'll see. I have no idea what my schedule is gonna look like in the Bahamas, so I'll definitely be trading every day for the open. So I'm not gonna miss out on trading, but I might miss out on making videos and stuff. So I don't need Apple Vision Pro. I could just trade on I could just trade on the laptop. For $3,500, I could get a really, really nice laptop. Does this trip make you an international DJ? Yeah, I guess. I already did a wedding in the DR. And I have another one in November in the DR. But yeah, it's same time zone. One thing I gotta do is I gotta prep my people are walking around with that in public. They just need to reevaluate their lives a little bit. But I was gonna say I need to prep my laptop, make sure my laptop is good with Quant Tower up to date, make sure I'm logged in, make sure everything's good, make sure I get Rhythmic logged in, all that stuff. Wow, what a breakout. I guess we're gonna rotate back up and then we're gonna freaking break the highs. I mean, still got a long ways to go, but I guess my long entry was a very not entry. My analysis, I didn't take an entry, was good here. But why would you want to walk around with that in public? Like, what can it do? Like, you have to be on your phone and stuff all the time. Like, you can't just look at your phone down, you know? Like, I don't know. I guess I'm just old school, but I'm old, guys. I remember I'm old. Some of you guys are probably in your 20s or even teens. I'm old. I don't look old, but I'm old. $51. All right, so I'm not that old then. Okay, so we got some. I was there twice before most people in here were born. That's pretty funny. You'll be 51 in a couple days, Ghost Bear, and you would wear those things in public. Does Apex have issues with logging from different location? I hope not. Ish. Brian, no, you do not have to have any sort of consistency. There's no rules in the evals. The evals are wild, wild west, free for all. You do whatever you want as long as you meet the profit target and the minimum days that's required. You could pass. All right, guys, I'm gonna call it a stream. I got a bunch of emails to do before I go pick up my friend. So, red day today, but got the accounts that I needed to pay out with a difficult ORB trade. Today was a very difficult ORB trade. Did not work as easy as it usually does. And Ballnock's account is at almost 6,000, which is pretty amazing. I wish my Apex accounts were at 6,000. All right, guys. I'll be in touch. I'll be in touch with the trip, with my trading and stuff, and I'll go on. So make sure you guys hit the bell and have notifications. So when I go live at a random time, you guys are notified, and you could join me, and I'll show you guys the views and stuff. It should be a fun trip, but it is a work trip, so. I gotta make sure I buy all the things I need. I need like a USB hub. A lot of my DJ equipment is built into my. I'm used to having a lot of things pre-built, right? Pre-built in, so it's minimum amount of setup, gigs. So going somewhere with just my laptop kind of scares me. Like, am I gonna have this? Do I need cables? Do I need a USB cable? Do I need a USB hub? All those different things. Do I need drivers for a different controller? All the little things I gotta work on today. So I got like solid 10 hours to get everything done, and 2 of those hours I'll be driving to pick up my friend. All right, guys, hit the like, hit the subscribe. I'll see you guys on stream at some point during the trip. Not like this. It's gonna be a different live stream. And then next time I'll be live might be either Sunday for 6 o'clock open if I don't do anything for Super Bowl. I might be exhausted from the trip. I might not want to look at alcohol for a while. So I might not do anything for Super Bowl. I might just watch it at home in peace, which I like doing because I actually like watching the game. I don't like being at a party for sporting events that I care about. Not that I care about like a lot who's gonna win, but if I want to watch the game and understand like what's happening, a World Cup final, for example, like sometimes I don't have a dog in the fight. I still want to watch it. So we'll see what kind of sales Apex brings. The sale for the $35 resets ends tomorrow, I believe. So we'll see if they bring something back that's better. And yeah, World Cup final is about 15 minutes from me, guys. The World Cup final is right here. So I was at a Jets Chiefs game in October. So that's where the World Cup final is happening. That's about 15 minutes from where I am. Yeah, that was me humming. It's a little I'm at Ascan. I might go. If trading is going the way it's going, tickets 1,000, no. Tickets are gonna be at least $3,000-$4,000. All the way up the top. Alright guys, I gotta head out. 12 o'clock. I gotta head out. I gotta take a quick shower because I woke up late and I didn't have my caffeine yet. Maybe that's why my trading has been awful. But I'm happy to make progress on the accounts that I needed to make progress on and get that payout. Getting that payout was not easy because it was almost guaranteed, but not really, and there was still a lot of room for error. So I'm glad that I'm able to do it, and I got to request a payout from Bull Knox next for this Friday. So that way, next week on the 14th or 15th of February, I'll get the 30K between all the payouts, but 26,000 will be from Apex. All right, guys. So amazing start to the year, and we all got to continue getting better. And there's gonna be a lot of ups and downs. I could tell already. I mean, this year already has had a lot of ups and a little bit of downs, and I think we're down last. I don't know how many days. I gotta start. If I keep track of my accounts, it might piss me off, so I might not do it. But I've been down overall on trading. If I combine like the blown accounts and the good accounts over the last 3 days at least, since FOMC, so today's day number 4, I guess. But even FOMC, actually, I was green. I just lost one account. But most of the days, actually, no. So I think I was green. See, like I don't keep track of the individual like P&L because it doesn't matter to me. But like I was making quick. Let's see, Friday. What did I finish green on Friday? Thursday I finished green. I know that by a little bit. Like I don't remember what I did Friday, guys. I have no freaking idea. I feel like if I kept track of everything, it would just kind of drive me nuts. All right, so I was up 17. Oh yeah, so I had to see. Like I feel like I was down, but I was actually up. So this is my first red day in a while. So it's actually my first red day in a while. Blown accounts, yes, but red day, it's the first red day in a while. But that was my P&L. So what you just saw was my P&L before live streaming. So this is before live streaming, and then now after live streaming. So kind of tough, but it happens. $35 resets on Apex, yes. So your evaluation, not your funded accounts, your evaluations. We are rotating back up, guys, so just be careful. Be careful shorting this. Charles, yeah, it takes a while to get approved sometimes. I have some of them are approved and some of them are not. But guys, there's a bunch of people that are not approved yet. My first couple payouts, they took like 7 days. But what I would suggest you guys do, so if you are waiting for an approval, okay, if you're waiting for an approval, make sure you guys open and close a micro trade because that's gonna count towards your next payout, and you could flip for 2 days. So today and tomorrow, if you don't get approved, make sure you count it as a trading day, so you still could get a payout for February 20th. Okay, so that's like a little trick for you to kind of learn. So you're waiting for a prior approval. You don't want to trade the account. At least flip the account because you could flip it for 2 days and you're not going to risk any capital and you'll be still good for a payout next time. Because now we have, including today, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 days, including today. So starting tomorrow would be 10 days. Why just 2 days? Because you can only flip the account 2 days. But if you flipped it 3 days, I don't know if they would even, if you do everything well, like you have very consistent days. If you flipped it for 3 days, I don't know if they would like. No, it's 11 days. I skipped 19th. You can still trade on the 20th. Today's 1, 5th, 6th, 7th, 8th, 9th, 12th. That's 5, 10, 11. Got 2 weeks plus the 20th. It's the fastest way to get yourself banned. What do those people think when they spam YouTube channels like that? Like, do they feel like they're gonna get anywhere with that? Like, honestly? Or do they just get paid to do it? Yeah, 19th is the holiday. But we have 2 weeks, guys, right? So we have from the 5th to the 9th, that's 5 days. From the 12th to the 16th, that's 10 days. And then the 20th is a full trading day. 19th is not. So that's 11. But that's 11 including today. Yeah, it's all good. I can't count either. I'm going like this, hoping that I could withdraw from my other accounts. I'm not sure if I could withdraw from all of them. I'm 99% sure, but there's a chance that I miscalculated the days that I've had traded. And because once again, once you get a payout from Apex, okay, and you are requesting a second payout from the same account, it's hard to know how many days you need. Like, I have these amount of days. I don't know if I traded these accounts for 12 days to get the first payout or for 10 days. You know, like, it makes it difficult to know exactly if you could get a payout. Now, it's easy when you do 1 or 2 accounts because you could just easily remember that. But I have to write it down and I don't. Because you could see what the payouts are from what, you know, when you requested it. But I would love to get to 3 payouts for 1 account. At least 1 account to make it to 3 payouts. That would be a success. That'll be the first time. And it just shows you that the monthly is better for me. But I've been doing some lifetimes. Alright guys, I'm gonna head out. 12:11. I always say goodbye for like an hour, so I'm not gonna. Wow, what a squeeze. What a squeeze. V-shape reversal in the making. Alright guys, take care. See you guys from the airport tomorrow. And good luck for the rest of the day. Good luck this week, guys, if I don't talk to you. And let's get those payouts. It's still early in the year, so let's focus up, and it's gonna be a great year. All right, let's do it. All right, guys, have a great day.